what will be in store when the CCHL champion Rockland Nationals take on the Maritime Hockey League champion Edmundston Blizzard in Game 2 here in Calgary.
And the CCHL Goalie of the Year nominee holding his fort here.
Martin, excellent save by Forget, and another one from in tight off the backhander courtesy of Philip Collette. Rockland still not credited with a shot on goal.
Currently 3-0 unofficially.
Martin into the slot, Fournier blocked, rebound Collette, and again it's Forget with a dandy right pad save. Solid jolt by Martin, and the puck sent back in as Simone Olivier's team making changes. Scores! Carl Anthony Massey. Edmundston scores the game's first goal.
10 goals in the postseason. He's headed to Moncton in September. Some confusion in the Rockland zone on the wall.
Milo Siderny to a knee. Fortin carries on. Fortin back towards the line. He'll let it go off the goal post. Somehow that stayed out.
Great look there in the overhead angle. What a recovery by Turnbull as well as Forget to get his arm behind there.
Fournier, Denis, Massey, Dastu, and Collette. The power play alignment. Collette, great shot, tipped off the post. Dastu, he hit the post. They score! Fournier.
I want to draw your attention to the paddle save that he made right here. Forget about it until that finds its way between them. Look at this. Unbelievable. Defense needs to help him out a little bit there. It's a power play goal for Edmundston, and it's 2-0.
Speeds in. Behind the net. Back to the line it goes. O'Connor with some room. Wrist shot. He scores! Josh O'Connor and Rockland back to within a goal.
Benoit Forget's made some fantastic saves today, and that one might have handcuffed him a little bit. We'll have to have a look on the replay to see if there's a body in front of him. Nice little move there, and O'Connor again. Don't have to get a lot on it.
So a power play goal by Rockland as Josh Pereira's team back in it until Martin says, we're going to make it a 2-goal difference again, as Marco makes no mistake himself.
I've now seen Edmundston for 25 minutes, working the puck down low to perfection. Physicality. Colette's got support. Without the support there, this isn't happening. Out in front.
Been the head coach of Melfort since 2014-2015. Penny, he scores! Joshua Penny, top shelf. Rockland again within one.
Priceless moment to get on the board. Penny puts it wide, bows, flips it across, and he's got his group back within one. And he'll be our guest at the end of the second period.
Fournier off the bench. He scored a goal in the first period. Boucher, Collette has Fournier. Huge save by Forget off Fournier. Laurent. Marie sets up his man backhander. Labre's there. So's Josh O'Connor. And Austin Cayley stopped all of them.
There's a look. Rockland goalie Forget on the bench. Net empty. Timeout obviously will be called now. Second-year head coach Justin Pereira.
Marshall. Hall, over top of the net, bounces, they score! Jacob Sharon with 2 seconds left.
This any fun or what? Weird carom from Hall. Cayley just has to retreat. He has no idea where it is. Get down to the butterfly, but in the butterfly, he needs to have his goal stick. 2 seconds on the clock, and we are headed to overtime for the second straight game.
Drills it wide of the target. Massey, 2-on-1. Collette and Denis. Philippe Collette, he scores! Edmundston in overtime. Seconds in, the captain puts it to bed for the Maritime Hockey League champions. So Edmundston unfazed by giving up the game tire with just 2 seconds left in regulation. 43 seconds into overtime.